Hello friends, welcome to Daring Marana YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about scavenging and the types of scavenging. So let's move on to topic. Scavenging. There is no separate exhaust and inlet stroke in a two-stroke engine. We all know that. That's because there is a basic difference of the two-stroke engine when compared with that four-stroke engine. There is no separate exhaust and inlet stroke. So when we compare the timing of engine that operating on two-stroke cycle, their timing is 1/4 shorter than that of engine running in four-stroke cycle. Okay, in two-stroke engine there is no separate exhaust and inlet stroke, and when compared to valve timing of engine operating in two-stroke cycle, then the timing is 1/4 shorter than that of engine running in four-stroke cycle. Okay, scavenging, it is a process of replacing the burned gases that is present in the cylinder after combustion with a fresh air. Okay, after fresh air, the process of replacing the burned gas before present in the cylinder after combustion with a fresh air is known as scavenging. Okay, there are three types of scavenging: cross flow scavenging, loop scavenging, and uniflow scavenging. Three types of scavenging are the cross flow scavenging, loop flow scavenging, and uniflow scavenging. Okay, the cross flow scavenging, from the figure we can show the cross flow scavenging. There is scavenge air inlet and exhaust outlet, both are opposite sides. So the exhaust and air inlet ports are arranged around the boundaries of the lower end of cylinder liner. Okay, the exhaust and air inlet ports are arranged in the lower end of the cylinder liner. Then inlet and exhaust parts are located opposite to each other, like I mentioned from the figure. The inlet and exhaust part are located opposite to each other, and simplifies the engine construction is very simple, and this minimize, therefore minimum cost is there. But this system is used in old Sulzer engine. Okay, the exhaust and inlet ports are arranged around the boundaries of the lower end of cylinder liner. That means exhaust and air inlet are located on the boundaries of the lower side of the cylinder liner. That inlet and exhaust parts are placed opposite, and the construction is simple, so it is maintenance cost is less, and this is used in old Sulzer engine. Then loop scavenging, that is loop flow scavenging. Here we can see exhaust outlet at top and scavenger inlet at the bottom in the same side. Okay, the exhaust and air inlet ports are arranged around the boundary of lower end of cylinder liner. These are same because exhaust and air inlet ports are arranged on the boundary of the lower side of the cylinder liner. And loop scavenging engines, exhaust port are placed on top of inlet port on the same side. This is the difference when compared to the cross flow. Here exhaust port will be top of that of inlet port on the same side, and incoming air passes transversely over the piston and is forced to leave through exhaust port. So incoming air will pass transversely over the piston and is forced to leave through the exhaust port. Okay, here what it means, exhaust and air inlet ports are arranged around a boundary or of lower end of the cylinder liner. In loop scavenging, exhaust port are placed on top of inlet port of same side, then incoming air passes transversely over piston, forced to leave through the exhaust port. Then uniflow scavenging, here we can see that fuel injector is there, then exhaust outlet on the top and poppet valve is near that, and scavenger inlet from the bottom side we can see. Okay, the uniflow scavenging, these are also known as poppet valve engine. Air and exhaust gas passing through the cylinder do not change the direction. Okay, the uniflow scavenging engines are also known as poppet valve engine. Air and exhaust gas passing through the cylinder do not change the direction. That's a great advantage of this uniflow scavenging. Only one direction flow. The fresh air enters from the inlet, which is situated at the lower end, and exhaust gas comes out from the top through the exhaust port. You can understand. From the figure we can understand that fresh air enters from the lower inlet port, which is situated at the lower end, and exhaust gas comes out from the top through the exhaust port. In the exhaust port, poppet valve is placed, which controls exhaust outlet. In the exhaust port, we place the poppet valve so that we control the exhaust outlet. We can control it by mechanically or hydraulically using a camshaft. Okay, the uniflow scavenging are also known as poppet valve engine. Air and exhaust gas passing through the cylinder do not change the direction, so it is unidirectional. Then fresh air enters from the lower part, that is inlet port, that is placed at the lower end, and exhaust gas comes out from the top, that is the top, that is, there will be exhaust port. Then exhaust port, near the exhaust port there will be poppet valve. They will control the exhaust outlet. They can control mechanically or hydraulically from a camshaft. The modern engines are uniflow scavenging. Mostly in marine design we use uniflow scavenging because the main reasons are high specific output, improved fuel efficiency, high scavenging efficiency. Okay, these are the three reasons. Modern engines are equipped with uniflow scavenging, including our marine diesel engines, because high specific output, then improved fuel efficiency, high scavenging efficiency. Thank you.